natin. And because of that, Ma'am Jana po kayo would like to call out the presence of our
Sabi ko na eh.
Anyway po, we will be moving on to the next segment of the program. This game is what we call the mirror game. You are the mirror and you will serve. So, I will kiss you your special 3 kisses to your wives. Hindi po, tabi-tabi po kayo. Nakita po yan po. 3 kisses na ibigay niyo po sa asawa niyo po. And since you are the reflection, you will do the same thing. Ready? O, harap po kayo. Harap. Magkahawak ang kamay. Ay, so, harap. Hawak ni kamay. Yung bones na kiss, wala tayo magkakita sila reflection eh. Are you ready, sir? Sir? Pastor, in 3, 2, the first kiss. Go. First kiss. Saan po? 1, 2, 3, and go. Saan pa? Go. 1, 2, 3. Sir. Sir, ang gusto mo pa ituloy pa natin? Paano mo kayo sa parts? 1, 2, 3, and kiss. Sa kanya. This is not the right time for reconciliation. Go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you for obeying the Lord. And thank you for everything. I will never be the person that I am today if not because of everything that's happened for us. So I'm really, really grateful for you. Yeah.
Thank you na lang.
Thank you na lang.
The Lord is not yet done with you.